Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Senator Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri has reiterated his administration's commitment to the independence of the judiciary and improved justice delivery system in the state. Senator Diri made the observation while swearing in the new Chief Judge of Bayelsa State, the Honorable Justice Matilda Abrakasa Ayemieye, recently in Government House in AKUGHA.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri recently swore in Honorable Justice Matilda Abrakasa Ayemieye as the 4th substantive Chief Judge of the state. Speaking during the events which took place at the executive chambers of Government House in AKUGHA, Governor Diri observed that it was a milestone in his administration's commitment to the rule of law and effective administration of justice in the states. In April this year, the governor had sworn in 3 commissioners of the State Judicial Service Commission. Earlier in the month of January, Bayelsa became the first state in Nigeria to launch electronic filing system in courts. Senator Diri said his government would continue to demonstrate its commitment to the independence of the judiciary and the enhancement of the justice delivery system.
We will also work towards providing adequate training and capacity building for our judges, magistrates, and court officials, as they are the backbone of our judicial system.
While congratulating Honorable Justice Abrakasa Ayemieye on her new appointment, Senator Diri urged judicial officers to always remain independent, impartial, and free from external influence in discharging their duties.
Holding principles of justice and fairness is paramount, and it is crucial that our judges are not swayed by political or economic considerations.
Meanwhile, Governor Diri has declared that sports remain a major vehicle for socio-economic development in his prosperity government. The governor made the declaration through his deputy, Senator Lawrence Irujakbo, at the closing ceremonies of the 3rd Governor Diri National Scrabble competition at the DSP Alamisia Banquet Hall in Government House, AKUGHA. Governor Diri had enjoined corporate bodies to invest in sports, which he described as a tool for job creation and positive engagement of youths.
It will suck and seduce our youths from crime and criminality, because for those of you who have played the Scrabble for the past 3 days here, I don't think you had the time to go and stand elsewhere or think of even going to carry a gun or be involved in any cult activities.
Under the prosperity government of Governor Diri, Bayelsa State has become the hub of sports in Nigeria. The annual Governor Diri National Scrabble Championship, launched 3 years ago, has discovered many players and upcoming talents gearing up for future international competitions.
Inside the Niger Delta. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Senator Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.